Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Mickey Junior bafethu ubhale laphana online ukuthi dear Orlando Pirates family, uthi football can be beautiful and cruel at once. Uthi this afternoon laphana eSoweto the Buccaneers gave everything. Uthi from 3 goals deficit laphana to 3-0 comeback laphana. Uthi balwile abafana ngepassion nangenhliziyo. Uthi from ukufika laphana ku-CAF Champions League semi-final last season to falling short of the group stage this time. Uthi kubuhlungu ngempela. Uthi but-ke ubuhlungu i-proof ukuthi you guys care and how much you have grown, how high your standards are. Uthi kuma-players ne-technical team hold your heads high. Uthi-ke nibonisile i-character namhlanje, i-unity ne-belief until the final whistle. Uthi to ama-fans lawa afikile laphana e-stadium, I believe until the end. Uthi-ke you are the soul of this club. You deserve every bit of respect and love. Uthi take heart, uthini take heart Pirates family. Uthi kuningi nisazokudlalela this season. Yeah. Heartbreak from Soweto bafethu, heartbreak. Hard luck to Orlando Pirates. Well, it's a game of football at the end of the day. Khona bekumele adliwe namhlanje. Unfortunately ke bokuyi Orlando Pirates. The boys, I mean, you know, coming back from 3-0, I didn't think they'll come back from 3-0 number one. Yeah, coming back from 3-0 with bakore nange last minute balwile abafana only for them. Ubani ugeje penalty. Uhot umuntu ene-experience. I thought he was gonna score that penalty, and then ekugcineni uMbuthuma ube yihero ukuthi akore second goal laphana mengena, but that penalty was one of the liphuwa ngendlela emangazayo ipenalty lakhe laphana umfethu, angifuni ukuqamba amanga. So mawuthuke kakhulu bafethu ungayi kupenalty, ungayi because of ufuna ukushaya ipenalty or kanjani. Uye if ikhona i-confidence ukuthuka, it's normal, but mawuthuke kakhulu uzovele nje ushaya eceleni. I mean that miss goalkeeper zangamuve nokumuva because belikude nanepali. So heartbreaking Soweto. Yeah man, I don't know if isizini yabo icollapsile ngoba ku-CAF Champions League into abayifuna ngempela abantu bebakhuluma ngestar, basayina ama-player amaningi ukuthi bacompete. Why? Because of last season. Imagine last season ufika ku-Champions League semi-final, you almost get to the final, but ke khona i-player linstoppayo because beli strong kakhulu as a striker. But yeah, isizini lebe promise ukuthi bazoba khona on the continental level. Unfortunately they were beaten by a team enganayo ne-experience that much ku-continental level or at this stage of the continental level, which is the CAF Champions League, defeating Orlando Pirates. But at the same time, I would say Orlando Pirates inayo lento yayo ukuthi ichoke laphana ku-CAF Champions League. Akusokokuqala there was a time la ishawa oJwaneng. So I mean banawo lama moments wabo kuvele ba-collapse, but let's hope bazokwazi recover from this moment. But I don't know how they will recover from this moment because the CAF Champions League is the big one bafethu, and isikhumbula ukuthi CAF Champions League ikuthatha ikubeka ku-FIFA Club World Cup. They wanted to push for that thing. They wanted to make sure ukuthi they go all out ukuthola ukuphumelela laphana ku-CAF Champions League kufika kuma-group stages, and then they take izinto kancane kancane. But yeah, it didn't happen today. But yeah, the players fought. Mangibheka leya team leya bafethu defender from start to finish beyidlalele ukudefenda. I think i-defense yabo beyi-organized because they show aggression isikhathi esiningi, and they were able to make sure ukuthi keep Orlando Pirates away from their box or maybe create a real danger. Futhi sibonile laphana first half bafethu Orlando Pirates isikhathi esiningi beshoota out of 18 because leya team leya beyigcwele laphana emuva, so there was no time to relax for bona. They knew coming to the game ukuthi kumele badefende almost badefende nje 90 minutes yonke futhi bebanganayo i-pressure. I mean kancane. I think this is a big heartbreak for Orlando Pirates bafethu ukuthi you coming back from 3-0 and then ushaye 3 goals only for wena ukuthi uluze kuma-penalty. But at the end of the day it's a game of football bafethu. Limnandi njengoba shilo ulono uMickey Junior laphana libhlungu. Linama-emotions. I'm sure abantu abaningi bolala bephoxeke ngempela ukuthi I mean it would have been maybe better if bakore 2 goals and then azange baya kuma-penalty but ba-equalizile bakwazile ukuyithola i-3 goals but only ama-penalty aba-disappoint-ile and ba-disappoint-we nabantu abane-experience kakhulu ababathembile laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. UHotho, there was no way, you were a senior player, UHotho, uGeji, okay bambambile but there was no power behind the ball. Sibonile uTito ushaya ipenalty elihle kakhulu, goalkeeper guessed right but-ke there was too much power behind the ball. That's what you show as one of the leaders of the team ukuthi as much as kuwama-penalty but you're gonna show ukuthi you lead. When you take that penalty, you take it with conviction, with power, everything behind the ball. Hayi ukuthi bavele bakubambe nje, no, shaya ngepower mfethu, power behind the ball, that's it. Ipenalty ishaywa kanjalo but you can't tell umuntu omdala kangaka ukudala adlala ibhola. But yeah, I mean, it's a game of football. It is a game of football. It is. Inemlingo yayo bafethu game of football, we know. But yeah, disappointing day Orlando at home, being knocked out after ma-promises angaka. I remember makuqala i-season or before iqala i-season bafethu abantu abaningi or ku-Orlando Pirates wonke ama-interviews bebawahamba laphana bebasho ukuthi bafuna i-CAF Champions League, bafuna i-league, bafuna izinto ezibalulekile for bona laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. So them not qualifying for a Champions League, I don't know what it would mean. Going back to the drawing board, I don't know ngempela ukuthi bazokwenza kanjani without i-CAF football this season, because if iMamelodi Sundowns izoqualifya, that's for sure, kusho ukuthi ku-CAF Champions League kuzoba ne-team ese-South Africa eyodwa kuphela. And then kusasa we wait for i-Kaizer Chiefs. It's a big moment for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi qualify for, siyazi ukuthi second tie of African football, which is the CAF Confederations Cup, but we'll see ukuthi laphana izinto zizohamba kanjani. But hard luck eMabhakania, hey, after ma-signing angaka and then going all out, really trying to prove or to have a good season on the continental level, only for them to get knocked out laphana, not even kuma-group stages phela. I-competition iqala kuma-group stages, yabo. So yeah, but yeah, hard luck to Orlando Pirates bafethu. See them next season. Yeah, into ezinje eziyenzeka. I mean, Apolis really played. He tried by all means to create a lot more opportunities. Even the team lebe blockile ivalile, but Apolis, he tried, man, he really tried ukuthi enze konke okusemandleni. I think I remember izolo day before, I mean no, during the week, yes. I think it was Thursday if not Wednesday, sikhuluma ngendaba ye-Orlando Pirates. Ngisho ukuthi uApolis uzokora, but kumele akore at least 2 goals and then i-responsibility isala kwabanye. The easiest thing actually kuma-penalty lotho phela. Noma ubani angawina, but the easiest thing as a footballer or as a football team, you have to try and win the game in 90 minutes ngoba zaya kuma-penalty akusekho ngempela ezandleni zakho. But yeah, what a game of football. They really played bafethu. They performed, they showed up. It was not their day. Danke bafethu. Cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. So making sure ukuthi le page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers.